Hi, I'm Eli. Want to get your voice heard on issues that matter to you? Then join You Report. It's a free, confidential mobile service to identify and address issues that affect young people. You Report sends a poll to all registered You Reporters. Your answers are analyzed in real time and the results are on the You Report website and Facebook page. Policymakers can hear directly from young people to make changes. Our voice matters.
If you're between 13 and 29, send the word JOIN to FB Messenger You Report OECS or WhatsApp 758-287-2124 to have your say about issues that concern you.